Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change page orientation in WPS Spreadsheet. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to Page Layout Settings, and after that you need to open Print Preview. It is very important to open this option. Of course, alternatively you can try to use shortcut Ctrl-Alt-P if you want. It will let you to preview and make changes to pages before printing. We need to click on Print Preview, and now on default page orientation will be set to portrait, but of course if you want to change it you need to go to paper information, and here you can select the landscape if you want to change it to this one orientation. So I select landscape here, and now orientation has been successfully changed to landscape. So now we can exit print preview, and the page orientation now is landscape. If you click on orientation you can check it here. So how you see it really works. If I helped you to change page orientation in WPS Spreadsheet, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.